Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make pudding cake. First, combine your dry ingredients in a large bowl. This includes 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, 3/4 cup of granulated sugar, and 1/2 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder. Don't forget to add 2 teaspoons of baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Whisk these together thoroughly to ensure everything is evenly distributed before moving on to the wet ingredients. Next, in a separate medium-sized bowl, whisk together your wet ingredients. You'll need 1 large egg, 1 cup of milk, and 1/4 cup of vegetable oil. For an extra layer of deliciousness, stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Once these are well combined, gradually add the wet mixture to your dry ingredients. Mix gently until just combined. Overmixing can lead to a tough cake, so stop as soon as no dry streaks remain. Now, pour your prepared cake batter into an 8 by 8 inch baking dish that has been lightly greased. This is where the magic happens for pudding cake. Evenly sprinkle 1 package of instant chocolate pudding mix, about 3.4 ounces, directly over the batter. Do not stir it in. Finally, carefully pour 1 1/4 cups of hot water over the pudding layer. Again, resist the urge to stir. Bake your pudding cake in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 to 45 minutes, or until the cake is set. The pudding will form a delicious sauce at the bottom. Let it cool for at least 15 minutes before serving warm, or chill it completely for a firmer pudding layer. It's fantastic with a scoop of vanilla ice cream. And hey, if you're looking to upgrade your home, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.